So we've got a this is a 2020, I think, Mercedes V-Class, Vito V-Class, that's coming for us for a CarPlay upgrade. We can offer this now for the full range of V-Class, as well as the Mercedes G-Wagon as well. So, but these obviously really need CarPlay in now, because this particular one's is a converted one. But I just thought I'd just do a quick video, because we haven't done one of these for a while, and just show you what it's actually like in here. So obviously we've got the CarPlay, which is over here, and as you can see, really nice sort of screen upgrade, which is in here. Obviously got all the same sort of functionality, and obviously Google Maps, which is in here. So yeah, it just sort of really brings this back into a sort of a modern version now. In here, obviously you've got Waze, as you can see, it's very quick, very slick. It also utilizes Bluetooth audio as well on this particular kit that we put in here. So yes, if you've got a Mercedes Vito and you would like Apple CarPlay, we fully integrate here, as you can see, with the reversing camera as well, then please get in touch.